Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no notification sound in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications. Now scroll down and here you can check your notifications. If you turn off your notifications, then turn it on. After turn on your notification, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.